Isha means life. The beautiful name Isha. Safa means pure. Safa means pure. Ila means tree. Beautiful name Ila. Leah names means tired. Beautiful name Leah. Elia means heaven. Beautiful name Elia. Nura means light. Nura name means light. Inas means friendly. Beautiful name Inas. Kira means ruler. The beautiful name Kira. Sama names means sky. Beautiful name Sama. Ira means watch. Beautiful name Ira. Zara means princess. Beautiful name Zara means princess. Noor means light. Beautiful name Noor. Wafa means loyalty. Beautiful name Wafa. Alien means bright. Alien names mean bright. Rena means joy. Beautiful name Rena. Ruba name means slope. Beautiful name Gina means gymnasty. Beautiful name Gina. Hana means happiness. Beautiful name Hana.